but it's kind of chilly now, so
I'm not
the
even
river.
sure if I'm going to water. Over there probably is well high too.
So you know what that means?
Cold.
Yeah. Oh, look.
Whoa, look on those waves.
Bomba. Me can't go into that. I say I surf on the board.
Me? I want to not touch water today.
Yeah.
It's water cold.
Okay.
You have goosebumps. Hello. Hi. You look for me?
Yeah.
How comes you look for me? Eh?
Me a biggest fan for the
Aw.
whole honor.
Thank
The
you.
whole honor.
We are sinking.
Not that bad.
No, it's not.
Bring it over your belly and come.
Oh, yeah, I gotta
Just
tell
start.
her when she done swim.
She just started.
You see? Me done. Me
You
done.
it look like you not even got water. Not even a sand on her foot.
Lie.
Come we go over on the beach.
Oh, sure. Just one day in our lives.
Still get some people jealous for sure.
Hey my lovelies, it's your girl Mel. Welcome back to my channel. We got mommy here. You know, mommy come back. I soon gonna left me again. But she wanted a beach day because, you know, she hasn't been to the beach. When you were here, we only got to go to Frenchman's Cove once, right? So this is the second time.
Since October last year.
Yes. So we're heading to Frenchman's Cove again. The weather is on and offish, you know, cloudy
nice.
and then sunny and then cloudy again. So we're just going to try and make the best of it. But we're heading to our favorite beach.
Yay!
But it's kind of chilly now, so
I'm not even
The
sure if
river.
I'm going to water. Let's see if we can manage.
the river
I'm
water,
not
mommy.
too sure neither, you know, if we can manage. Oh my goodness.
The
I
river.
told Melody already when we were at home, I was in the house and the wind, the breeze came through. And I said, boy, I'm cold already now, so how that gonna be?
The river water is going to be something.
Yeah.
Maybe today is an ocean day for us, but the ocean kind of rough. Ooh, I should probably bring the board.
Yeah.
You think? Cause the water kind of nice and rough. May I go for your board,
Let me
guys?
give you the key.
So guys, I'm running to get the board. Me walk and run. Since I've broken my ankle, well, fractured my ankle, I didn't go back running. I really and truly don't know if I could actually run if I tried. But let's get the board. So we got the board. I got the board. So let's see. Let's see. Mommy's saying the river is really high today. It's high? Huh?
The river is high.
It's high?
Yeah, look. See? Go all the way there, all the way here, and it's deep here.
Oh yeah.
Yep.
River nice and high today for
I
true.
mean, over there probably is well high too.
So you know what that means?
Cold.
Yeah. Exactly that. That just means it's going to be extra cold because there's more water.
And I hope sun is coming out. Because right now we have overcast again. Oh
Yeah,
my goodness.
you can see it's kind of dim again. But we're gonna make the best of it.
How big this part is.
Yeah,
Wow.
water high for sure.
Yeah.
Never seen this area that
No
big
man,
before.
that is really big now.
We should come upstream then. Take a swim upstream.
if we
I
will,
brought goggles.
if we will be living.
If we can, if we don't freeze to death. I brought two
Anna
sets.
Mayumi said it is -degrees in Germany actually. She said it's so cold. So what are we complaining about? Huh?
I mean, you know, I would be crying if I was in Germany. But here I can't complain, you know. There's levels to it. Yeah, levels. Right, people?
Little more.
Look over there. You see the palms holding hands? The palm leaves?
Oh yeah.
They're holding hands.
That's a nice Valentine's picture.
Right?
Valentine's Day picture.
Guys, Valentine's is coming. Even the trees are feeling it.
They clean out good here.
Yeah.
It was much more bushy.
So approaching the beach, guys. Oh, look.
Whoa, look on those waves.
Bomba. Me can't go into that. Me can't go into that, mommy.
Nobody is in there.
But these would be
Wow,
some good
this is
waves
pretty
to
big.
surf.
For Frenchman's Cove, this is pretty big.
That rough bad.
Wow.
They're right at the front there. You see?
Yeah.
The shallow part.
Well, you can go with the board there.
Guys, look how the sea rough, man. I say I surf on the board.
Me?
Eh.
I want to not touch water today.
Yeah.
It's water cold.
I did I tell mommy, you know, say the river must cold.
That was cold, I know. Like,
You not touch it from morning?
touch.
I forgot to say if it's true. Want the sun come out though.
Yeah,
A sun will make you feel a little better. Mommy said she gonna dip her foot in the water. Let's see.
Okay.
You have goosebumps? Mommy said,
I don't.
but it's high and nice and clean. And it's nice and clean.
Well, now the seawater is.
You're gonna test it out too. But you're gonna get a lot of river water. Hello. Hi. You look for me?
Yeah.
How comes you look for me?
Hello. On the name, big and fine and all over Jamaica.
Eh? I never know. Eh? I never know.
Even vehicle. And then up the road when we go eat a shop. Where when you do some video right at the supermarket right up the road there.
Eh?
That's all. And I ask people about it. I said, wow. Me a biggest fan to the whole hour.
Thank
The
you.
whole hour.
Thank you. I appreciate it. You want to shout out yourself and your friends?
Big up myself. Sherika, you're large. Be a person, you're large. And I don't know, Claudia, my sister, and her husband, and your other, my mother, and my nephew over there, same birthday.
Okay.
Big up here. You
Alright.
don't know the thing, Sector. Don't let nobody stop you. Don't do what you have to do. And you don't know, say you make it. Now let nobody stop you and thing and thing.
Right.
Watch every program of you and see me. I'm not tech side. I don't know, say you're not doing anything, you're not doing anything. Simple as
I
that.
appreciate it, man.
I
Big
love
up
it, man.
yourself.
And your mommy always roll. I love you with your program. Yeah. The one where I love when I go bright man, go pick up the sun. Rain and Kingston. And you complain about the dust pick up because that look at something in a price man. Yeah. I love the program. I like that, man. Just
Appreciate
keep it up.
Yeah,
Don't
man.
let nobody break your heart. Just do what you have to do. Do what you have to do.
Yeah, man.
I love that. I love that. I love
Yeah,
that.
man.
And my sister, and my brother-in-law. Yeah, and my mother over there with
Okay.
them fitness.
So now can enjoy on the day
Yeah,
at her
that's
beach.
them live overseas and then come down. We live in a Portmore.
Okay.
Portmore live. I have to come way over, but we rent a hotel around the road and thing, and we got to spend some time
That's nice.
this side.
So
Yeah.
now make sure so now come check out Portland.
When I come now, I know 1 and 2 area when I
Cause I
there.
video them.
Alright, and see if me meet one on.
Right?
That is the blessing. I
It
mean,
was
can see
meant to
myself.
be. Yeah, man.
You can see myself.
Eh,
Alright.
Yeah,
That's
man.
it, yourself.
Alright, pick up yourself. Yeah, man. Alright, later. The sun is back. The sun is coming out, guys. That's so nice. Huh? Mommy said the ocean is warmer, so she'll probably check out the ocean more than the river. But, you know? So I'm asking Mommy if she just want to cold turkey and just go into the ice cold. That's an ice bath, and this is a cold shower. Which one? This side.
Let's try it here.
You want to? So we're going to touch over here so first then. Let's see. But the water. Mommy is trying to. Mommy is trying to run as far as possible from the river, because you know it does mix here in this area, so there's going to be a cold layer and a warm layer. So Mommy wants to go all the way over here, so we are sinking.
We are sinking and the waves are pulling us over. What is this now? Seriously, we're sinking.
We're still cold though. It's cold, but not like it's
Wow, this is so much sinking sand.
it's quicksand though. Quicksand. The breeze that is blowing off of these waves feels like rain.
The waves are strong, man. Pull you down. Also, this is dangerous. Go in the river. The worst part is the shoulders already.
Yeah. The shoulders and the tummy.
Yeah.
And we know
I
it.
got half of my tummy already.
It not touch my tummy yet.
I only have to do the other half.
So we're gonna head over to the river and just we can't slowly walk going on that. It's either all or nothing. It's not that bad. I thought it would be worse.
Not that bad.
No, it's not.
Bring it over your belly and come. And then you tell me again it's not that bad.
I'm stuck right here.
Come. Alright. 1, 2, 3. Whoa, take away my breath. Literally. It's not too bad. And salt.
Salty. Guys.
Now your turn. 1. Can I do 1, 2, 3?
I don't know what I'm going to do.
Okay, you're not connected.
Can I go 1, 2, 3? I can go, but nobody knows what you're doing, right? Okay, 1, 2, 2.5, 2 3/4, 2 3/4, and what is after the quarter? 8. Come now, 3, 3, 3. 3. And one more time, 3. Oh, she did it. Don't it take your breath away. You see, you go too. So I was not exaggerating. It is cold.
Yes. Oh, Jesus. But
Once you're in it,
I felt it colder than this already. Like when it was warm outside.
yeah, maybe that's.
So maybe the chilly breeze is actually taking away from it.
I'll give you, don't worry.
Something fell down from the lady. Woo. Like how it's so deep up there, would you want to swim up there? With goggles?
I don't know how far we can go and swim though. You have 2 goggles? Oh.
I'm going to go for them. Alright guys, so I went for the goggles. And we're going to take a swim upstream. Is it okay? Okay. So, let's go. There's a plastic bag floating. I wonder if it's coming close enough that I can grab it. You don't belong in the water. You don't belong in the water. So guys, I'm gonna see if I can jump from the tree. Here you go.
Bello, bello. She did it!
And I actually did not touch the ground. I only braced it with my hands.
Good.
Like I went down and then immediately put down my hands on my feet.
Although it was pretty shallow there.
Yeah, my
Good.
feet and everything stayed up. But
You don't need no block back.
nope, definitely not. But the water actually feels good now, but it's salty.
A bit cold still, but okay, we can just lie down and
Yes, we can basically just float down.
Melody, look at me, look at me. I'm going fast, you know, look.
Goodbye.
Damn, this is fast. This is fast. I'm not doing anything, you know. Not
Yes.
nothing, look.
Remember I said mommy coming like a buoy? These are the times where that helps a lot. I mean, I can float go down to without having to do anything. but we're gonna head back. We're gonna head back and, you know, go and chillax.
This is nice.
I'm literally sitting in the water, and this is my attempt at doing the same thing. Look at me. I'm struggling. Well, mommy can just do it with ease. What are they? They seem to trying to catch something.
Wait.
They're trying to catch a fish with a shirt. They made a makeshift net. So guys, there are some people out there daring to go a little bit further than me and mommy, but not very far either. I'm gonna just sit in waves there. Those would probably be good surfing waves, but I can't manage that right now. They do have up the caution flag because the water is so rough, so yellow means to be cautious. So, you know? Yeah, and that's a lot of people are in the ocean today. But the sun is peeking through every now and then. There's still a lot of clouds. And we're just here chilling. You know? So after you full your belly, yeah, you can ask if I go left here. Yes, I'm going home.
Yeah. You're not done swimming today?
Huh?
You're not done swimming today?
Oh, you gotta
Just
tell
start.
her when she done swim.
She just started.
You see? Me done.
You look like you not even got water. Not even a sand on her foot.
Lie.
Come we go over on the beach.
Gotcha. Gotcha.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. So, we're heading back to the car, guys. It was just a quick little trip. How long did we stay? Like
About 2 hours.
2 hours. Yeah. But the sun was not sunning enough, so
The sun was not sunny.
it was not sunning enough.
Sunny.
Yes, it was not behaving like a sun. Well, it was, but the cloud them did
Oh,
that.
but it was nice. It was relaxing. It was cold.
Yeah, but you know, with
We had a good time.
getting chilly and stuff, so we're just gonna call it today. Yeah, just gonna head home. So thank you guys for watching our little beach trip. I know not much happened, but you know, just one day in our
Still
lives.
get some people jealous for sure.
So see you guys in my next video. Bye.
Bye.